All right, so today I was in the mood for a bologna sandwich, and I have some time. It's pretty early still, but I realized I already did a fried bologna sandwich video. So then I switched, and I thought, well, I'm going to have a BLT, but I still wanted fried bologna, so I'm going to make a fried bologna BLT. And then I don't remember. I haven't. Tell you the truth, I never watched that other bologna video since I did it, the fried bologna sandwich. But I think I went through the traditional Southern way, is real thick slices, and then you cut from the middle out to one side, and that keeps it from doming up like it's doing. But I prefer my bologna thinner. And then depending on where you get it, I mean, you could get bologna biscuits, you could get bologna sandwiches. Sometimes they put American cheese, sometimes they don't. It just depends on where you go. And this one that I'm making now, this is about as far from traditional fried bologna sandwich as you could get, but I think it's going to be good. I'll finish frying this up, and then I'll move the camera to the other side because I got more room over there to make the sandwich. All right, so I got a pretty nice piece of French bread here left over. And I think I'm gonna carve a little bit of the middle part out. All right, my honey starting to get a little solidified here, so I'm gonna have to put it in some hot water, but there's enough liquid for me to do what I want to do. All I'm doing is just mixing up the honey and the Dijon style mustard. So just put a little bit of this around. That's quite a bit of bologna. Now some bacon. All right, there's what that looks like so far. Now I got some sliced Gouda. And then some American. When I make straight BLTs, I don't use cheese. I just make it traditional, just a classic bacon, lettuce, tomato on white toast with mayo, and that's how I like them. But this this isn't a standard sandwich for me by any stretch, but I think it's going to be good. So now in the toaster oven, I got some romaine hearts. On a sandwich, I generally like iceberg, but I'm not a big fan of iceberg lettuce, but on a sandwich, I think it's good. But this will be good. And while I'm waiting for the cheese to melt, I'll slice up the tomato. And then the avocado. I'm just putting lines, cuts in it. Then when I pull it out, it'll be slices. There you go. There's the melted cheese. Ooh, I gotta be careful. That's looking good so far. Let me slide it off onto here if I can. Let's see if I can fold this. Oh, that avocado is going everywhere. All right. That is one fine looking sandwich. All right. Here we go. Fried bologna BLT with avocado. This is a good sandwich. I guess just give it a try. It's a mess, but give it a try. It's a good one.